serving the people of East Tennessee. WATE 6 on your side news at 5:30 starts now.
Good evening, I'm Lori Tucker.
I'm Bo Williams.
And I'm Don Hudson. Thank you for being with us. If you are a veteran or know a veteran in need of legal assistance, listen up.
This Wednesday, Legal Aid of East Tennessee, together with the Knoxville Bar Association, will be holding a free legal clinic.
6 on your side consumer reporter Don Dare says all veterans are welcome. Don.
Well, that's right, Bo. Vets don't have to be just from Knoxville to attend. The Veterans Legal Aid Advice Clinic is a joint project of the Knoxville Bar Association, Legal Aid of East Tennessee, the Public Defender's Office, and law students from UT and Lincoln Memorial University. If you're a veteran and need help from a lawyer, you'll want to attend the 2-hour event this Wednesday beginning at noon. Veterans of East Tennessee are welcome to this free legal clinic at the Public Defender's Office in Knoxville. The community room will be busy this Wednesday with attorneys providing legal advice to veterans seeking assistance.
We have attorneys available to answer any type of legal problem ranging from criminal to civil, contracts, divorces. We'll find someone who can answer your question.
Bankruptcy as well?
Absolutely. Bankruptcy, we have attorneys who can answer questions about bankruptcy and debt relief in general.
The process is easy. Attorneys from Legal Aid of East Tennessee and those from Access to Justice Committee and others will be providing advice.
So they'll come in here and they'll sit and meet with an attorney. Normally we have a law student or an attorney do an intake where they speak with them to kind of get a general idea of what the problem is, and then they'll rotate them to an attorney in that area of the practice of law, and then they'll talk with that veteran about what they think they should do or what they can do in this situation.
A lot can be accomplished in the 2-hour free clinic, and follow-up visits are encouraged. Legal aid attorney Jennifer Eggleston is also an Army veteran.
I feel like a lot of veterans come in here and they don't know what to expect, but when you sit them down with an attorney who says, hey, where did you serve? Oh, I served there too, or we went to basic training at the same, fort, this, that, or the other, it really makes them feel more comfortable, feel respected, feel, like they can identify with me and I with them.
I do this because I love working with veterans. My brother was a Marine, and it gives me a lot of joy to spend some time with some people who also served.
Many who visit the clinic may not have the experience or the money dealing with lawyers, but these attorneys won't charge a dime.
And when they come in here, they can talk to an attorney for free and, potentially get some legal advice that they might not have been able to get. And they might even make a connection with an attorney that they might want to hire down the road.
As you heard, the attorneys will provide advice about any problem. If you have paper about a legal issue, bring those papers. Again, the help is free and you don't need an appointment, just show up. It will be taking place at 1101 Liberty Street in Knoxville. That's the Knox County Public Defender's Community Law Office building. The clinic starts at noon. Bo?